Transporting granite slabs is no small task. These massive, fragile materials require precision, planning, and the right partners. In this video, we'll show you how FreightMonster gets it done, safely, efficiently, and professionally. The challenges are real. Granite slabs are heavy, brittle, and high value. One bump in the road, and the damage can cost thousands. That's why specialized equipment is essential. A-frames, edge protectors, nylon straps, all perfectly placed for balance and tension. Every load is secured with precision. Our teams follow best-in-class techniques for slab securement, because cutting corners isn't an option. At FreightMonster, we don't just move freight, we protect it. With years of experience in heavy and delicate cargo, we understand the risks, and we solve them before they ever hit the road. From booking to delivery, we bring professionalism, speed, and peace of mind. Ready to ship your granite slab smarter? Visit FreightMonster.com, where freight moves like a monster.